So what do roofers do if they're caught in the rain? Let's say you need to get your roof replaced and they're calling for rain. It looks like we're going to have rain here shortly. I'm out of my roof. Now, thankfully, I've got shingles on here. But I thought it'd be good to go over a couple of things as far as how roofers approach rain in the summer, because somehow work has to continue. So the first thing is we obviously check the weather all the time as roofers. Every morning, every night, like we're always looking at the weather. And it's crazy because weather forecasts can change dramatically from night to morning. So usually we make a call on whether or not we're going to work the day of the job. Let's say we've torn the old shingles off and we've got a storm coming in and maybe coming in fast. Well, thankfully we have what's called an underlayment. It's a synthetic underlayment, kind of a synthetic material like this. This goes down as a standard under all shingle roofs. But as soon as we see, storm clouds rolling in, we're not going to continue to tear off. We're going to be putting this stuff down to cover the sheeting of the roof, cover up the wood. It is very water resistant and water will shed off of it without leaching through in a couple of rainstorms. So that's kind of the first step we do. We get this covered in and make sure that things are watertight. We fasten it down so it doesn't blow off in the wind. You can do roofing while the weather is iffy. The big thing is we also don't want to take too big of a section of roof at a time. So instead of ripping the entire roof off on a day that the weather's kind of maybe rainy, we're going to go a section at a time. So rip maybe a quarter of the roof off, put underlayment on it, start putting the shingles on, rip the next section off, put underlayment on, put the shingles on, and do multiple cycles of roof replacement on different planes or different sections of the roof. It all has underlayment on. We never leave a roof open overnight and vulnerable to the weather. So when we don't complete a roof, our customers can rest assured that they're not going to get leaks. We do ask our customers to be gracious with us as far as scheduling changes, because we can't control the weather. We work fast and hard when we can. When it's raining or when it's about to rain, we really don't want to risk our customers' houses into getting wet and damaged if we can help it. And so we're not going to take risks like that unnecessarily. We'll look at the weather during the day and in the morning and kind of make a call the day of. So there you have it, some things that goes through a roofer's mind during thunderstorm season in the summer. These clouds are coming in, so I'm going to hurry off of this roof before we get wet.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.